Options.
Okay, and here's a flaps down takeoff. Yeah, didn't want to do it. You let it get up more speed, and then it's going to be inhibited by the speed because of the flap. Yeah, probably broke off
It's a pretty tough bird.
Boy, it is. Okay, no flaps down takeoff. We're going to abort that effort.
That is exactly what happened to me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's not good. All right.
No flaps.
No flaps. Won't go over the top.
What, on a flip?
Yeah, it won't do an outside loop.
Oh, yeah. How's it do a spin? Take her up. Whoa, 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 whoa.
pretty rapid spin, I'd say.
Sure is.
Alright, bringing her in. I don't want to test the battery.
Oh, is that the same battery?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Flaps down.
There you go. That is beautiful. That's
Woo!
how you do it. You have to post that one, dude.
Yeah, man.
Because it just might have run out of space.
But you got the landing, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
a 234 and still running. So.
Okay, good. Okay, excellent. Thank you.